Wells Fargo, how to open a savings account online. In this video, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and talk about Wells Fargo and how you can create your very own savings account online in the easiest and most simplest way. So basically for this, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to wellsfargo.com. Now, as we all know, Wells Fargo is a hugely used enterprise when it comes to banking softwares, and it provides you with the most immaculate banking features that are provided on the blockchain. Okay. So if you want to start using this for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to come to their main page. And let's say you do want to create a savings account for yourself. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to savings and CD. So over here, I'm going to click on view all savings account. Now over here, it says choose a savings account. You have the most popular, you have platinum savings, and you have certificates of deposit. So the most popular is way to save savings. It's savings made easy. You can build your savings automatically. It's best for saving as you spend with save as you go automatic transfers. You have monthly service fee where you have $5 on how to avoid the fee each fee period. You have overdraft services where you have optional overdraft protection for your checking. Okay. Then it also asks you for a little age and ID requirements, and the minimum opening deposit is $25 that you can pretty much start working out with. Okay. Then you can also manage your savings in your savings account. So, first of all, you have financial education where you can reach for your goals with financial health, a platform with tools and resources that can help you make smart financial decisions. You also get a proper savings plan where the online tool, My Savings Plan, helps savings customers plan, monitor, and save to reach financial goals. You also have a personalized budget where you can track spending, device budget goals, set up account alerts, and efficiently manage expenses with a budget watch. You also get a lot of privacy and security. So your account safety has been a top priority for around 160 years of Wells Fargo's working. Now, even if you're not sure which saving account is best for you, you can take a quiz to basically find your account, all right? So this is the best part about it all. So you can choose the right savings account. So what are your financial needs? So, a checking account, a savings account, or both. So I'm going to go with a savings account. How much do you plan to keep in savings? So let's go with 35 to 10,000. Would you consider locking in a portion of your funds for a period of time for a potentially higher interest rate? So I'm going to go with not at this time. Now it says the best account for me is Platinum Savings, where I can get growth and relationship opportunities, $12 of monthly service fee, okay? And I can be 17 and younger, okay? If I'm 17 and younger, I must open at a branch, or I can go ahead and start online, okay? You can also go ahead and view the rates, and how to avoid monthly service fees is also an option. So in the case you don't want to go ahead and create a monthly service fee account for yourself, you can pretty much go ahead and avoid that. So to avoid it, avoid the $12 monthly fee with a $3,500 minimum daily balance each fee period. So obviously you are going to want to make sure you have this much income coming in, but even if you don't, it's totally fine. So what you'll need to open a way to save savings account. First of all, you must be 18 years or older to open this account online. Minors 17 and under must open at a branch. Then it comes to account owners where anyone 13 and older can open as a primary owner. Minors 12 and under can open but must have an adult co-owner. Two forms of identification are needed to open out a branch. Each primary account owner and co owner needs at least two IDs. So, one needs to be the primary ID, where the original versions of state issued or U.S. territory driver's license is needed, state issued or U.S. territory ID card, passport, U.S. Air Armed Forces ID, and a few more things that you're going to need to put in. And then obviously secondary IDs like employee ID, student ID, credit card, ID issued by a recognized business or government agency. So these proofs are required by them when you're opening your account, but once you make those appointments, what you're simply going to do from there is you're going to go ahead and open an account for yourself, you know, going along with whatever requirements you need. So Platinum Saving starts here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Let's Go. It says, let's start with the basics. You're going to enter your social security number or ITIN, which is your individual tax identification number, to help verify your identity and obtain credit history. So, obviously, if you're a person in the United States, then this account creation is going to be pretty simple for you. In the case you're not, you can, skip that and use some other provider or even contact them and let them know if you're not in their country, how are they supposed to create a savings account with you. Now, moving on, once you add your social security and your mobile number, you should be set to go from there when it comes to your savings account and banking. Okay. And savings, as I told you, there are different types of savings when it comes to it. So we have way to save, and we have platinum savings where you have flexible savings with room to grow. So you have platinum savings where you get more ways to access your money. It's best for saving with the options to write checks. The monthly service fee is $12, where you avoid the fee with a $3,500 minimum daily balance each fee period. You also get overdraft services, where you have optional overdraft protection for your checking account. Your age and ID requirements are also given, and $25 minimum is the opening deposit that you can open right now. And finally, as I told you, you have certificates of deposit as well. So, Wells Fargo CD, guaranteed returns regardless of market conditions. It's best for an alternative way to grow your savings with higher interest rates. Terms are that you get flexible term options from 3 months to a year or more. And the monthly service fee is that you don't have any monthly service fee. You have a $2,500 minimum opening deposit where you are going to need to have, and you're going to make sure that it is accessed. But apart from that, you're pretty much good to go. You're pretty much set. And yeah, that's pretty much the main idea on how you are going to go ahead and create a savings account on Wells Fargo through their online banking system. So that's pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me. If you want to see more videos just like these, or if you have any issue with this one, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be seeing all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.